Tired of cluttered countertops and cramped cabinets? Amazon has some genius solutions that can totally transform your kitchen. In this video, we're showcasing 20 clever space-saving kitchen solutions on Amazon that maximize storage, organize your essentials, and make cooking more enjoyable. Stick around because some of these smart gadgets are so handy, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Number 1. Slide-out basket. The slide-out basket is a must-have for kitchens with tight cabinet spaces, letting you access pots, pans, and pantry items effortlessly. Its smooth sliding mechanism prevents digging or reaching through cluttered shelves, saving time and frustration. Beyond convenience, it maximizes vertical cabinet space, allowing efficient stacking and turning awkward corners into usable storage. Perfect for spices, canned goods, and tools, this basket keeps your kitchen organized, spacious, and manageable, while adding a practical, stylish upgrade. Number 2. Adjustable countertop shelf. An adjustable countertop shelf adds extra storage above your counters, keeping jars, mugs, or small appliances neatly organized and accessible. Its height-adjustable design ensures it fits any kitchen setup, accommodating various items effortlessly. Sturdy and practical, it declutters surfaces without taking additional floor space, making it ideal for small apartments or busy kitchens. By adding this shelf, you maintain a clean, organized, and stylish countertop while keeping essential items within easy reach at all times. Number 3. StoraLid container lid organizer. The StoraLid container lid organizer keeps all your container lids neatly stacked and easily accessible, eliminating messy cabinets and endless searching. Its adjustable design accommodates various lid sizes, while the sleek, compact construction blends seamlessly with any kitchen decor. By keeping lids upright and visible, it frees up cabinet space and reduces clutter. Perfect for busy households or anyone wanting a streamlined kitchen, this organizer makes meal prep and storage simpler, faster, and far more efficient. Number 4. Mug tree rack with drip tray. The mug tree rack with a drip tray is ideal for maximizing counter space while keeping mugs organized. Its vertical design stores multiple mugs without cluttering cabinets, and the included drip tray protects surfaces from water spills. Sturdy enough to hold heavy mugs, it's perfect for coffee lovers and busy households alike. Compact, stylish, and easy to use, this rack enhances both function and decor, making your morning coffee routine more organized, efficient, and visually appealing. Number 5. Pull-down spice rack. The pull-down spice rack is a clever solution for small kitchens, allowing easy access to spices and condiments without knocking over other items. Mounted inside a cabinet, it keeps bottles organized and visible while maximizing vertical space. Quick to install and practical to use, it transforms crowded cupboards into neat, functional storage. Perfect for home cooks or anyone wanting a clutter-free kitchen, this pull-down rack makes meal prep faster, simpler, and more enjoyable by keeping your essentials within easy reach. Number 6. Magnetic knife strip organizer. The magnetic knife strip organizer is a sleek, space-saving solution that frees up counter space and keeps knives within easy reach. Strong magnets securely hold blades, ensuring safety and organization while maintaining a modern kitchen look. Mounted above counters or near prep areas for ultimate convenience. Durable, practical, and stylish, it's perfect for avid cooks who want to stay efficient, reduce clutter, and maintain a clean workspace without bulky knife blocks taking up valuable kitchen real estate. Number 7. Fold-down ironing board cabinet. The fold-down ironing board cabinet is a smart, space-saving solution for multifunctional kitchens or small laundry areas. It conceals a full ironing board that folds neatly when not in use, providing extra storage or countertop space. Easy to install and stable during use, it keeps your ironing board hidden while maintaining a clean, organized look. Perfect for homes with limited space, this cabinet combines practicality, convenience, and style, allowing you to maximize every inch without sacrificing function or aesthetics. Number 8. Underbed shoe storage organizer. The underbed shoe storage organizer is a slim, zippered solution that maximizes otherwise wasted space. While ideal for shoes, it can also store seasonal items, linens, or small kitchen extras, keeping them protected and out of sight. Its flat, durable design slides easily under beds or furniture, reducing clutter in apartments or small homes. Lightweight, versatile, and easy to clean, this organizer is perfect for anyone looking to extend storage options efficiently while maintaining a tidy, organized living space. Number 9. Portable Wardrobe Closet Storage Organizer. The Portable Wardrobe Closet Storage Organizer provides flexible storage for kitchens, pantries, or small apartments. With multiple shelves and compartments, it can hold pantry items, cookware, or cleaning supplies, and its lightweight design allows easy relocation as needed. Durable yet portable, it offers ample storage without permanent installation. Ideal for renters or anyone needing extra organization, this versatile unit declutters spaces, keeps essentials within reach, and transforms cramped areas into functional, well-organized storage solutions. Number 10. Laundry baskets. Multi-purpose laundry baskets are surprisingly useful for kitchen storage, holding recyclables, bulky pantry items, or serving as temporary prep storage. Large, durable, and easy to carry, they provide flexible options for small kitchens or apartments. Stackable or collapsible designs increase convenience and make storage even more efficient. When not in use, they tuck away neatly, helping maintain a clutter-free space. These baskets are an inexpensive, versatile hack to organize kitchens, pantries, or any home area needing extra storage. Number 11. Expandable Under-Sink Organizer. The Expandable Under-Sink Organizer transforms cluttered cabinet space into a neat, accessible storage area. Adjustable width lets it fit most sinks, providing room for cleaning supplies, sponges, and bottles. Its tiered design keeps items visible and within reach, reducing frustration while cooking or cleaning. Durable and easy to install, it maximizes vertical space under the sink, turning a chaotic area into a functional storage zone, perfect for small kitchens or apartments needing smart organization. Number 12. Slide-out Cabinet Organizer Rack. The slide-out cabinet organizer rack is ideal for turning deep cabinets into functional, easy-access storage. Smooth sliding rails let you reach pots, pans, or pantry items effortlessly while keeping everything organized. Its sturdy construction handles heavy kitchen essentials without bending or sagging. Perfect for busy households, it maximizes vertical space and prevents clutter, making cooking and meal prep more efficient. A simple yet effective solution for any kitchen looking to combine convenience with organization. Number 13. Over-the-door Hanging Shelf. The over-the-door hanging shelf is a versatile storage solution that adds extra space without permanent installation. Ideal for pantry doors, cabinets, or even refrigerator doors, it holds spices, snacks, or small kitchen tools. Easy to hang and remove, it keeps essentials within reach while decluttering counters and cabinets. Compact and practical, this shelf is perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or busy households looking to maximize space efficiently without compromising style or accessibility. Number 14. Stackable Drawer Dividers Set. Stackable drawer dividers are a simple yet powerful way to organize utensils, cutlery, or kitchen gadgets. Adjustable and modular, they fit various drawer sizes, keeping items neatly separated and easy to find. Durable materials ensure long-lasting performance, while the stackable design maximizes vertical space. Perfect for messy drawers or small kitchens, these dividers reduce clutter and improve accessibility, making your daily cooking routine smoother and more enjoyable by keeping every tool exactly where it belongs. Number 15. Magnetic Spice Rack. The Magnetic Spice Rack is a sleek, space-saving solution for kitchens with limited counter or cabinet space. Magnets securely hold spice jars, allowing them to stick to walls, refrigerators, or metal surfaces. This keeps spices visible, organized, and easily accessible during cooking. Compact and stylish, it adds a modern touch while decluttering countertops. Perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or avid cooks, this rack maximizes vertical space and keeps essential seasonings within effortless reach. Number 16. Adhesive Under-Cabinet Mug Hooks. Adhesive under-cabinet mug hooks free up cabinet and counter space while keeping mugs easily accessible. Simple to install, they stick under shelves or cabinets without drilling, holding multiple mugs securely. Their sleek design complements any kitchen decor and adds practical storage for coffee or tea lovers. Perfect for small kitchens or busy households, these hooks maximize vertical space and keep mugs organized, creating a tidy, functional, and stylish setup for everyday convenience. Number 17. Corner Cabinet Turntable. The corner cabinet turntable, or Lazy Susan, makes awkward corner spaces functional. Rotating tiers allow easy access to spices, sauces, or pantry items without reaching deep into cabinets. Its sturdy construction holds multiple items securely, while smooth rotation ensures effortless use. Perfect for maximizing underutilized corners, it reduces clutter and saves time during meal prep. This simple yet practical gadget transforms tight corners into organized, accessible storage, making your kitchen more efficient and enjoyable to work in. Number 18. Fridge Organizer. A fridge organizer keeps perishable items neat and visible, maximizing refrigerator space and reducing waste. Adjustable bins or stacking containers create order for fruits, vegetables, bottles, or snacks. Transparent design allows easy identification, while durable construction supports heavy items. Perfect for busy households or small kitchens, these organizers prevent clutter, making meal prep faster and cleanup easier. By turning chaotic fridge shelves into a streamlined system, they improve efficiency, visibility, and overall kitchen organization. Number 19. Foldable Storage Ottoman. The foldable storage ottoman is a multifunctional solution for kitchens or dining areas with limited space. It serves as extra seating, a footrest, or hidden storage for kitchen linens, cookware, or pantry items. Lightweight and foldable, it can be stored easily when not in use. Perfect for small apartments or multifunctional spaces, this ottoman combines style and practicality, providing versatile storage while keeping your kitchen or living area organized, clutter-free, and visually appealing. Number 20. Lift-top multifunction coffee table. The lift-top multifunction coffee table is perfect for small spaces, combining storage and surface functionality. The lift-top reveals hidden compartments for cookware, linens, or kitchen accessories, while the table can double as a prep or dining surface. Sturdy and stylish, it supports daily use and blends seamlessly with modern interiors. Ideal for apartments or homes with limited storage, this multifunctional table maximizes efficiency, keeps essentials accessible, and adds a sleek, organized element to your living or dining area. That's it for the 20 clever space-saving kitchen solutions on Amazon. These smart gadgets help you declutter, organize, and make the most of every inch in your kitchen. Upgrade your space and enjoy a more efficient cooking experience.